right, family. Now, let's go for this bite. Oh, look at the tear. Oh, man. Wow. Wow. Yo, this. Wow. I have to go for another one. I gotta go for another one, family. Look at that. Absolutely amazing, family. This is probably one of the best vegan cheeses I ever had. This is so good. I'm using the chips from Walmart, which is the garlic and herbs, I think, and it's so good as the tortillas. These are so delicious. Look, let's get another bite. Look at that. I got some jalapenos on top with some tomatoes, some cilantro. Family, this is so delicious. Yo, family, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Yo, you can't tell me. You can't tell me that this is vegan, guys. You can't. Yo. The best vegan cheese I ever had. You already know. Soy free too?